Dear students, today we are here on exercise 13.2, which is related to the laws of exponent. If you all remember, yesterday we have covered almost every law related to the laws of exponent. Now today we will be applying these laws into our questions. Okay. Now let's begin the question number 1 from your exercise 13.2. So let me write it down the heading exercise 13.2. Students, some of the questions you will be doing it by your own also. If you think that you will be able to do this question along with me, please do try those questions. Okay. If you feel, ma'am, I don't require the solution from ma'am, I just want to do it this question by my own, you can do it. Okay. Now let's begin question number 1, which is using laws of exponent, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. Please understand this question, what it is telling. You have to use laws of exponent. जिस question में बेटा नहीं लिखा है using law of exponent, there you can do it without it also. But if the question is written using laws of exponent, that means you have to use the law of exponent. One more very important thing which I want to tell you, on which line you are using the law, you have to write beside which law you are using. Okay, it's very important to mention the law, which law you have to use in this question. I will be showing you the pattern how to solve this type of question. For example, I'm talking about a normal question, which is question number 2. Question number 1, 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 8. Now, as you all can see, we have same base in all. In between, we have multiplication sign with all. And also, we have different powers in all the bases. It means we can use the first law that if you have same base, power is different. In between the sign of multiply, powers are added. Okay. So, it means you will write it down here beside in the form of a bracket, since x to the power m multiplied by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m plus n. This law you have to mention in the question where you are solving it. Now you can write it down, the direct answer of it. 2 plus 4 plus 8. Now can you all tell me what will you get it? 3 to the power of 14. Finished. Now you don't need to solve this further. Why? Because the question has written that you have to write the answer in exponential form. So there is no need of writing more solution of it. But अगर question में लिख के आता that you have to write it down in the simplest form, तब आपको ये 3 to the power 14 solve करना होता in the form of 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 like this. ठीक है? But remember, अगर ऐसा कोई question आता तो इतनी greatest power नहीं आती है बेटा. ठीक है, question will be having with a smaller power to solve. Now let's try with question number 2. Now this answer you will be telling me it's 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. Now please tell me what answer can I write here? Correct. Correct. 6 to the power 15 minus 10, which will give you 6 to the power 5. 15 minus 10, it will give you 5. Now, which law we are using? We'll write it down here. X to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. This is compulsory to mention the law which we are using it here. So now question number 1, 2 were easy. We have done it. Okay, question number 3 also, I hope it is easy. You can do it. Question number 4 will also be easy. It is only telling here 7 to the power x, 7 to the power 2. Can you all tell me what can we write it down? Wonderful. Correct. Because same base, power different, in between there is a multiply. So powers will be added. Answer will be coming 7 to the power x plus 2. Do not write 2x. Why 2x? Because x plus 2 is different. X into 2 gives you 2x. So you cannot write it down here 2x. Simply write x plus 2. Further it will not be solved. because x is unknown here. ठीक है, so ये वाला क्वेश्चन यही खत्म हो गया बेटा. Now question number 5, I am writing it here below because I have the space. Question number 5 is 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3. Very simple question again. पहले सबसे पहले फर्स्ट स्टेप सॉल्व करेंगे. Yes, look at here first. 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 means this is the law power of power. Power of power means you are knowing, I have taught you, when you have power of power, power will get multiplied. So 3 के ऊपर 2 लगा है, 2 के ऊपर 3 लगाओ, दोनों ही cases में you will have 2 into 3 and answer will be giving you for this term 5 to the power 6. ठीक है, 6 आ गया, 2 की पावर 3 का मतलब होता है 6 divided by 5 की power 3. We have written here 5 to the power 3. Now this question has converted into a normal number, that which we have solved in the second question. Okay, division sign, same base, different power. Can you please tell me what should be the answer now? 3. Okay, correct. It will be 6 minus 3, which will give you direct 3. So the answer for this particular question will be 5 to the power 3. Okay, so students, tell me now, till question number 5, I think you will not be having any problem. Is it fine? Should we come? We will be writing it, but beta, I am thinking that you people will write it down by your own, because in each and every question I am using the same law. So I have written and told you that this way we will do it, but you should apply it, no? That like in this question you will write it down the same law, the first one. Question number 5 में you have used 2 laws. तो पहला जब आपने ये वाली लाइन में, I don't have space so I have not written it, but I am telling you, in this जहां पर आपने ये step solve किया होगा, you will write it down. X to the power m to the power n will be equal to x to the power m into n. This is the law. उसके बाद आप जब next line solve करेंगे, you will be having 6 minus 3, and 6 minus 3 की जगह पर आप यहाँ पर ये वाला law लिखेंगे, which is x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. Okay, in each and every question the laws, writing laws is very important part. Okay, now till question number 5, have you understood? Okay, fine. So I am moving to the next question now. Next question we have is, yes, want to say something, beta? Please speak. I am doing it 6th one. See the board? This, huh? No. I have done it till 5. So I was asking from you people that whether you have any confusion till 5, so that we can move ahead. Because now the laws are changing. Okay. Now look at here, beta. Now we are going to discuss the next law. Look at here. This time bases are not same. Rather we have power same. Okay. And you can see this when we have different same power. You are knowing in between जो भी साइन होता है उसके साथ आप बेस जो है वो कॉमन लिख देते हो, like 2 into 5 will be written together and the power which is written, which was same, will be written at only once. So 2 into 5 will be written once in all together and the whole power will give you 5. Can you all tell me what should be the answer now? 10 to the power 5. Correct. It will give you 10 to the power 5. Now this is done. Now let's move on to the next question. When you have 2-digit number, please don't forget to have the bracket, please. Whether you, वैसे तो I will suggest you, whenever you have a power writing, you just try to write it down in the form of a bracket. ठीक है, bracket लगाना मत भूला करिए, ठीक है. Now move on to the 7th question. 7th question is again the same one only. Please you tell me the answer, beta. A to the power 4, B to the power 4. Correct. Absolutely right. A into B, the whole power will be 4. And as you are knowing, A into B will not be solved further. You can simply write it down AB if you want. Otherwise, this step is also fine. Okay. If you want to write this step, it is also fine. If you want to write this step, this is also fine. कुछ बच्चे इसको ऐसा लिखना चाहेंगे तो just a second. So you can simply write it down A for power 4, B power 4. That is also fine. All the answers are right in all the conditions. Yes. Now let's move on to the next. Yes. Now move on to the question number 8. Question number 8 is very simple again. 3 to the power 4 to the power 3. Base is same, power and power. Super power you can call it. Can you please tell me? Absolutely. Correct. 4 into 3, which will give you 3 to the power 12. And you are knowing power of power will get multiplied. So this law, please mention beside all the laws which you are using in the particular question. 8th is also done. Now move on to the 9th one. 9th one is telling 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 multiply by 2 to the power 3. Please solve it by your own. Now don't tell me how 28 will be the answer, beta. No, don't wait for a minute. You solve it by your own. Then I will ask who is telling 28. Very good. Two to the power 8 is coming. So, okay, correct. 2 to the power 8 will be the answer. Somebody told 28. May I know who was that? Pragyan, how 28, beta? Pragyan, I'm asking how 28, beta? Can you please tell me? I hope आप लगता है कहीं पे ये solution you have done it already and you are just in this question you have a same base. सबसे पहले तो bracket solve होगा. You have a same base. You have a different power. ठीक है? In between there is a sign of division. It means it will give you 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15 का मतलब होता है only 5. ठीक है? 2 की power 5 बच गया. इस bracket से solve होकर के you have got 2 to the power 5. In between the sign of multiply and 2 to the power 3. This is the next step which you have got it. Now you can see we have got same base, different power in between the sign of multiply, which is power should be added. So 5 and 3 आप जब add करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा 2 to the power 8, which will be the answer of this particular question. Fine. Now the last. Okay, no issue. Now 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. Please tell me the answer. What can we write it down? 8 to the power t. Okay. Rest of the students, 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. What should be the answer? Okay. Why t minus 2? Soumya? Why t minus 2, beta? It is the unidentified. I am asking why minus 2? Why not plus 2? 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. Why? Okay, this is the right answer. This is the right answer. That if you are talking about division, it means that is why it is t minus 2. If it would have plus, then t plus 2. Now students, we are moving to question number 2. Question number 2 से questions का pattern little bit will be different. So I am going to tell you, सबसे पहला काम हमेशा याद रखो, अगर कोई question normally power के form में है, तब आपको सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है? लेकिन कुछ नंबर्स आपको मिलेंगे जो कि कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के फॉर्म में होंगे. कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का मतलब होता है विच कैन बी सॉल्व फर्दर. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली इन एक्सपोनेंट एंड पावर. अगर कोई नंबर लिखा है 2 की पावर 8, इट मींस इट इज द सिंपलेस्ट वे, बिकॉज 2 को इससे ज्यादा ब्रेक नहीं किया जा सकता. बट अगर मैंने नंबर लिखा हुआ है 32 की पावर 2, it means this is a number which can be broken up further also. Same thing if I write, yes, if I want to write it down 4 to the power 3, this is also not the simplest power because 4 will also be broken up. Same thing if I write 16 to the power 2, again this is not a proper or simplest form. Same thing if I write 25, not a simple form. If I write 125, not a simple form. If I write 3125, not a simple form. If I write 343, not a simple form. So इनके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? एक्सरसाइज 1 पे जाएंगे. एक्सरसाइज 1 में आपने पढ़ा है कोई भी नंबर, whatever number you think in your mind can be written in the form of power. ठीक है, हर नंबर, जितना भी आपने नंबर देखा होगा, सारे नंबर्स हम पावर के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट 0. So it means keep in your mind, if you write it down these numbers into the form of power, how can you write it down? Use prime factorization method. ठीक है, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे हर जगह पर हर क्वेश्चन पे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे तो बड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा. What you do for that? अभी just now when I spoke this question, I think 32 I told. Then just now Naitik said, ma'am, 2 to the power 5. Why? Because कुछ बच्चों को सॉल्व करते करते वो चीजें याद हो जाती है, जैसे मुझे याद हो गई है. ठीक है, वैसे ही जब आप सॉल्व करेंगे ना तो आपको कुछ चीजें खुद ब खुद याद हो जाएंगी कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, इसकी जगह पर हम डायरेक्ट क्या पुट कर सकते हैं. फॉर दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू राइट नाउ, लुक एट हियर, कुछ तो आपको अभी याद हो जाएंगे. सी दैट when we write 2 की power 1, you have simply 1, simply 2. Okay, when you have 2 into 2 means 2 की power 2, you get it 4. It means अगर आपको 4 लिखना है तो you can simply write it down 2 to the power 2. अगर आपको 2 लिखना है simply you can write it down 2 to the power 1. ठीक है, अगर आपके पास है 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It means 8 की जगह पर हम क्या ले सकते हैं? Can you please tell me now? 2 to the power 3. 3. अब if you have 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, can you please tell me what should you get it right now? 2 into 2 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 16 2 ja 32. It is coming till 32 and 32 is the 2 to the power 5. The same way 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. Okay, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. The same way 64 अगर आपको लिखना है बेटा तो you can write it down 2 to the power 6. 128 क्या हो जाएगा? 2 to the power 7. ठीक है, 256 will be there now 2 to the power 8. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप चाहे तो you can simply break into that. Have you understood now? शशांक कह रही हूँ, सारांश, do you remember you asked me a question yesterday related to that only, beta? Okay, sorry, he is not there. Fine. So please keep in your mind this type. We can use this method for breaking any of the number which we wanted. ठीक है, जब आप जितना ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आप सॉल्व करते जाएंगे ना, आपको याद होता जाएगा कि किसको हम किसकी पावर के फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. सेम वे इफ आई टॉक अबाउट 5 के लिए, 5 की पावर 1 गिव्स यू 5 ओनली. 5 की पावर 2 मतलब 5 into 5 which will give you 25. 5 to the power 3, 5 into 5 into 5 which will give you 125. 5 to the power 4, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 which will give you 625. Okay, then 5 to the power 5 which will give you 3125. So इस तरीके से 5 का हो गया. सेम थिंग 7 का होता है. So आप याद रखो, जब आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते रहोगे ना बेटा तो आपको वो चीजें याद आ जाएंगी कि आपको किस फॉर्म में नोटेशन देना है उसका. One more thing, अगर कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपको मिलता है जिसमें कोई भी नंबर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर के फॉर्म में लिखा है, तो सबसे पहले उसको उसके सिंपलेस्ट पावर फॉर्म में लिखना चाहिए, which just now I told you, and then you can apply any of the law which you want to apply. Let me show you how. Question number 2. Question number 2, I am taking the first one. 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 multiply by 4, 3 into 32. Now you tell me the number which you are finding complex here, which can be broken up further, are 4 and 32. ठीक है? Now you tell me in place of 4 what can I write? जल्दी से बताओ. Correct, correct, correct. Absolutely right. 2 to the power 5 means 32, 2 to the power 2 means 4. Now I have replaced it. Because replacing can be done because the same number give you that number only. So हमने हटा दिया. अब आपको याद होगा मैंने कल पढ़ाया था, जब भी हमको इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन मिले तो आप उनके पेयर्स के साथ उनको लिख दो. It will give you the easiest way to solve it. पहले हम 2 को 2 के साथ लिख देते हैं. It means 2 की पावर 3, 2 की पावर 2 एक साथ लिख दिया और 3 को हमने कर दिया बैक पे. 3 की पावर 4 ऊपर वाला अरेंज हो गया सिस्टमैटिक. Now look at here. यहाँ 3 पहले है 2 बाद में, तो पहले हमने 2 को सामने लेके आ गए और हम 3 को पीछे लेके चले गए. 3 की कोई पावर नहीं है, इसका मतलब है 3 की पावर 1 है. Now tell me this step is okay or not? Please tell me faster. This step is okay? Which is the last step? Now simple and the last step. Base same, power different, in between multiplication. Shubhanshu, tell me what will you write it down in case of this? Tell me. हाँ. Correct. Multiply by 3 to the power 4 will remain like that only. Now 2 की power 5 as it is है आपके पास, 3 की power 1 as it is है. अब आपको याद होगा मैंने ये, yes, I have explained it to you this also कि how can you solve this one. आपको याद होगा यही हमने कल भी किया था कि आपको अगर इस टाइप का फॉर्मेशन मिले, simply solve it in the form of division. How we will solve it? 2 की पावर 5, 2 की पावर 5, या तो आप डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर दो, दोनों सेम चीजें लिखी है, आप या तो डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर दीजिए या तो आप सिंपल ऐसे कर सकते हो. 2 की पावर डिवीजन में है तो 5 minus 5 which will give you 2 की पावर 0, और यहाँ पर 3 की पावर एक में 4 है एक में 1 है तो 4 minus 1 which will give you 3. Sorry 3 है, this is 3. 3 की पावर 3. 3 is the base. Okay, so 3 to the power 4 minus 1 which will give you 3. 2 की power 0 which will give any number have the power 0 which will give you 1, and 3 की power 3 मतलब आंसर क्या होगा बेटा? Can you please tell me what will be the answer for this? 27. Yes, 27. Yes, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. Yes, it will be 27. Now tell me students, have you understood the process how to solve this?